going on YouTube, and thanks for coming back for another video. And in today's video I'm going to be replacing a sprinkler head right here on the front lawn. So I'm going to be showing you the process how to do that. Alright, so let's get right into it. Alright guys, so the sprinkler I'm going to be changing is this one right here, and it's right in the corner, so it does a 90-degree spray. But as you can, I'm not sure if it picks up on camera, but you can tell right here it's kind of dying from the lack of water. See right here, it has like this grayish look to it, and there are some brown spots in there. So I've noticed recently that this does not do a good job at covering everything. So I want to go ahead and change that out. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so pretty much what you want to do is just go ahead and dig this out. Dig it out around it, and then we're going to twist it off, pull it out, and then just put in the new sprinkler. I'm going to use this little small handheld shovel, but you could use anything you like to dig it out. But I think this works good, so I'm going to go ahead and dig it out right now. Alright guys, so this is the old sprinkler I removed. I'm going to go ahead and replace it with this one. The reason I want to try this one out is because this one comes with a dual spray. So I'm hoping it's going to get a lot better coverage, and hopefully that grass won't end up dying. So let's go ahead and swap it out for this one, and we're going to turn it on and see how it looks. Alright guys, so I have it back in here, and so you want to make sure it's nice and tight in here, but you don't want to over tighten because you might actually break one of the pipes down here, so you need to be careful with that. But the way you kind of know which way it's going to spray is kind of has a little picture right here. I don't know if you can see it. I'll try to zoom in a little closer. But yeah, I have a picture right here indicating which way it's going to spray out, so that way when you turn it on, hopefully it's spraying out that way, not towards you. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and see how it looks. Alright guys, so as you can see, it does get pretty good coverage, because you got one stream right here on top, and then this one right on the bottom. That's the one that's going to get the area that was dead right over here. So that one right, this stream right here is covering that area that didn't get water last time. So far the sprinkler looks like it's going to be doing a good job. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill this dirt back in here, and then that should be it. All right, guys, so that's all done. So you might want to take this opportunity to go walking around your yard to see if you see any spots that look like this. And if they do, it might be a lack of water. So you want to make sure if your sprinklers are getting good enough coverage, or if they do get good coverage, it might be just upping the watering time. So that's something you want to, take care of before it gets really hot and, all your grass dies. But that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.